In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your actions within Zapier. So in this example, we're going to be sending ourselves a direct message on Slack anytime we receive a new order. So here I have my Zap open, and all I need to do to add a new action is click over here on the action sign. Or if we had continued from where we were, we would have automatically been here on this page. So I want to go ahead and select Slack as my app. And then I can go ahead and choose my event. Now you'll see I'm already logged in and my account is connected. If you haven't logged in and connected your Slack to your Zapier, all you have to do is click into the account settings and log in. It'll take you through those steps one by one. All right, so what I want to do is choose my action event, and we've got a whole bunch of different things that we can do here, but all I really want to do is send myself a direct message from myself. So I'm going to send a direct message. And then I can go ahead and hit continue. So now we've got a bunch of different settings over here, and I'm going to go ahead and play with those. I'm going to leave this as multi-message no. I'm going to select myself here within the users, and then I'm going to customize my text message. So I'm going to say new order, ... well, exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point. Then I'm going to add some details. So clicking on that little plus sign, I'm going to add the details that I would like to be included in this message. So I'm going to add the first name, and I want to add their user last name, the user email, the order number, and the origin key, so where this order was placed. All right, so I'm going to exit out of that now, and I've got all of those details there. I can go ahead and separate this so it looks a little bit neater. Well, those can be next to each other, that's fine. And the rest I want to do that. Okay, so now that's a nice little message that's going to be sent to me anytime someone places a new order. And I don't want to send this as a bot, I want it to appear as a message from me to me. And I'm going to not include a link to the Zap because that's not entirely necessary. I don't need to attach any images. I could auto expand any links, but there's no links really being included in this, so I can just leave that alone. And the rest I can leave as is. So then I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, and I can go ahead and test this step. And you'll see when I test this step, it returns a bunch of information to me. And now I can go ahead and publish this Zap. So I'm going to publish that Zap, and it's going to tell me that success, your Zap is live. Now, if I navigate over to my Slack account, you'll see that I have been given that message over there. And I don't have a space between the first name and last name, so that's my bad. I should have put that into the message, but that's okay. But you'll see if I navigate back to the system, and I come and place a new order. So I'm just going to navigate back to my system, come here to my orders, and create a new invoice. We're going to go ahead with Betty White again, hit save, and I add a custom item. This can be eggs, and her eggs are $800, very expensive eggs, and we're going to hit save. I can then go ahead and collect that payment, use cash, record the payment, create the order. And then when I navigate back to my Slack account, just going to wait a little minute for that Slack notification to pop up. And there you go. You can see that we've got that new notification for that new order. So that is how you can set up actions in the system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up search actions in Zapier. I'll see you there.